Hello, I'm Dr. Sagheer Ahmad, and today we are going to discuss about the enzymes. Okay, the enzymes, as far as the meanings of the enzymes are concerned, and means to enter, and zyme means to leave. Okay, as far as the definition of the enzymes is concerned, these are biologically active protein molecules which catalyze the biochemical reactions. Okay, now what is substrate? The molecule which is acted upon by an enzyme that is known as what? Substrate. Okay. For example, pepsin is pepsin is an enzyme and that acts upon the proteins. Okay. So protein would be what? A substrate, and pepsin is an enzyme, right? As far as the structure of an enzyme is concerned, the enzyme may be solely consisting of protein molecule. What? There are two types of the enzymes. One type of enzymes are those which consist of only the protein molecules. Okay. The others are there which consist of what? Protein part and non-protein part. Clear? Well, the protein part is known as what? Apoenzyme. What? Apoenzyme. And the non-protein part, that is known as what? The cofactor, right? The cofactor may be what? A metallic ion or an organic molecule. Okay, the organic molecule which is tightly bound to the non-protein part, to the protein part, that is known as what? The prosthetic group. And the non-protein part which is loosely bound to the apoenzyme, that is known as what? Coenzyme. For example, coenzyme A, okay, and folic acid and many others are there. Those are known as what? The coenzymes. Taken. Now, where are these enzymes produced and where these are found? Okay. Look, here is a cell. Okay, this is, for example, the nucleus. Okay, there are certain enzymes which are found in the nucleus. So some enzymes are known as what? Nuclear enzymes. Okay, the others are there which are found in mitochondria. Okay, for example, the enzymes which are related with the Krebs cycle, those are found here in the matrix of mitochondria. Okay, the others are there which are related with the photosynthetic process. Those are found in what? Chloroplast. Okay, this is a sketch of what? Chloroplast, and these are found here in the stroma of chloroplast. Okay, yet there are the others which are found here in the cytoplasm. So they could be here in chloroplast, and in cytosol, in mitochondria. Okay, okay, there are certain enzymes which are found along the plasma membrane. Okay, so those are what? In plasma membrane. Clear? So this is how you can know the occurrence of the enzymes. Okay, how they carry out the reactions. How they carry out the reactions. Suppose here is a substrate. This is one substrate. Okay, and here is another one. Right? The enzyme would react with these two substrates. Okay, suppose this is an enzyme. Here the enzyme substrate complex is formed. This is known as what? Enzyme substrate complex. This is substrate 1. This is substrate 2. This is enzyme. Afterwards, what happens? The enzyme would be released. Okay, and here is what? The structure of the molecule, which is actually the product. This is product, and this is again the enzyme which is separated. So I told you in the beginning of this lecture that the enzyme means to enter and leave. Enzyme enters and leaves. Okay, this is how the enzymes catalyze the biochemical reactions. Make sure that the enzymes they carry out, they catalyze the biochemical reactions, not the reactions. Thank you very much.